What is going on back here? Hello? Did you get caught up in the net? Is that what this is? Oh my word. Why you keep going back in the net? I'm trying to get you out before... Oh my gosh. Come on out. Oh my goodness. You look like a little baby. Alright, I'm gonna put you up there. Oops, where did it go? I don't think it flies very well. Why aren't you flying? Oh my word. Come this way. Come this way. I am your lifesaver. Trust and believe. Girls. I don't think it can fly. I don't know where I'm going to put this thing. That's safe from Mallory and Bella. All right, you've got a chance. There you go. It's gone. No thank you, nothing. It's somewhere in there. You waited.